Hi family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Glory. In today's video, I bring to you the most powerful deep condition, DIY deep condition that will help your hair manageable enough, reduce excessive hair fall, reduce your split end, make your hair super moisturizing, make your hair super hydrated, and also if your hair has been super hard to manage, this deep condition will help soften your hair, keep your hair shiner, make your hair so softer, make your hair more fuller and longer. So if this video sound like what you're interested in, keep watching and watch to the end of this video. Don't skip this video so you don't miss any important information I'll be giving out to in this video. Let's dive into the video. Our first ingredient is oatmeal. Oatmeal is very good in our hair. Oatmeal contains plenty of omega-3 fatty acid to help reduce split end and damaged hair. It also moisturizes your hair, make your hair feel soft and fuller. The protein in oatmeal add thickness to your hair and also reduce breakage. So I do eyeball, so you can do eyeball to the one depend on the volume of your hair. So I do eyeball. After that, transfer it into my pot, add water, and after then I put it in fire. Oatmeal do not take long time to cook, so make sure that you keep stirring it so that it will not get burned. So after cooling it, after it's done, I leave it to cool down. So my second ingredient is avocado. Avocado is very good in our hair. Avocado is very beneficial in our hair. So I will use 2 avocado. This one is not going to be enough for my hair, so I'm going to use 2. Avocado is a natural moisturizer, prevents hair loss and promotes longer, healthier hair. Help to strengthen hair. It also acts as a natural sunscreen for hair to help protect hair in sun and also help reduce frizz on your hair. So combination of this avocado and oatmeal is bomb. It will help your hair so soft. It will help your hair grow longer. If you are experiencing split end, consistent using with this deep condition, say no to split end. Your split end will reduce and also help you to retain length. With a consistent using of this treatment, you will love your hair. You will not be experience excessive hair fall. Your hair will get more thicker. If your hair is weak, this deep condition will help your hair get weight, as in get more stronger, get volume. Your hair will not be weak. It will help your hair to reduce the excessive hair fall. It will make your hair so softer, so easy to manage. This is the second avocado. This second avocado is not that okay. It's not that fine. I did not use all because some parts of the avocado is not okay. It's like it has spoiled or what. I don't know what I said it. So with a consistent using of this with this deep condition, you will love your hair. This is the road to healthy hair growth. Whether your hair is relaxed sorry for that, whether your hair is relaxed or dreadlock or any type of hair you have, you can use this treatment. This treatment is not mean that it must be only natural treatment. This treatment is for all hair type. Okay, so this is my oatmeal. It's already cooled down, so I will transfer it into my blender. After I transfer into my blender, I will not use any other thing. I will not add water or whatsoever. I will only blend these 2 ingredients without any addition of product like water or oil. So after when I blend this thing, that's when I'll add more things. So keep watching. Like I said, so at this point, if you are new in this channel, welcome. If today is your first time stopping by in the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't make it your last. join the family by subscribing. This channel is all about how to grow your natural hair without breaking the bank. Whether you have relaxed hair or dread, any type of hair you have, how to grow it without breaking the bank. Okay, so my returning subscriber, I love you guys so much. Thank you for stopping by to watch my videos. Thank you so much. Please make sure that you turn up your post notification bell so that to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, give your girl a thumbs up. Please comment down below. I would like to read your comments. So after blending it, I will use my chief cloth to collect my deep condition, so that using chief cloth is very necessary so that particles will not stuck on your hair. Particles of the oatmeal and particles of the avocado will not stuck on your hair. And I know that you will not like that. So make sure that you use something that is very tiny, like wig cap or chief cloth, whatever you have that you know that it will not leave particles on your hair. Use this and strain it very well. So do you see that this deep condition is okay in consistency? Because I did not add water. If you add more water, it will not be okay. I think you have seen, if you add water, it will be running. So I'm sorry, please. I was recorded. I don't know that the video is not recorded when I added my oil. So I add 2 tablespoons of my DIY oil. I'm sorry for that. Please make use of any oil of your choice. Okay, this is my DIY oil, 2 tablespoons. I'm sorry for that. That the thing did not record when I added the oil. I'm very sorry. So use any oil of your choice. That doesn't mean that it must be the type of oil that I use. Okay, so add your oil, any type of oil you have. Add the 2 tablespoons. Okay, stir it very well to mix everything up, to make everything marry their self. Deep condition, do you see the consistency? Very good, very consistent, very nice. So I have went off camera now to section my hair for easy application. Please use this deep condition on your clean hair. Okay, don't use it on dirty hair. So my hair is fresh wash. I just finished washing my hair now, so I prepare this deep condition to make use of it on my wash day. So don't use it on dirty hair. It will not have any, it will not penetrate, it will not do anything on your hair. But if you use it on your clean hair, that's when you're going to see the effect and the benefit of it. Okay, make sure that your hair is super clean, fresh wash hair. Okay, so do you see how my hair is grading, collecting this deep condition? So mind you, this video is for forward. At this point I was forwarding the video so that it will not be that long. So after apply it, I use finger detangle. You guys know that I like finger detangle. Hardly I use comb on my hair. You guys know that. So I do finger detangle to detangle my hair. Okay, so apply it very well from your root to your tip of your hair. Make sure that you coat it very well, especially on your tip of your hair. You know that our tip of our hair is oldest part of our hair. They are easy to break off, and also our tip of our hair is where you know whether you retain length or not. If your tip of your hair is weak, you cannot retain length. It will always be breaking off, and you will not see the length that have been. You will not retain, you have not seen the growth that you have been getting. Okay, it will be like your hair is not growing. Meanwhile, your hair is growing, it's only breaking off. So take care of the tip of your hair very well. This deep condition, make sure that you apply it on the tip of your hair very well, so that you can help to thicken up your hair, can help to strengthen your hair. Okay, so use it very well, coat it very well. I make enough cover all my hair. Okay, so after I apply it, I give myself a small massage. Just give myself, I like doing that whenever I apply deep condition on my hair, especially my DIY deep condition. Whenever if I apply it, I'll just massage my scalp smooth. I will still give myself a massage. Okay, so at this point I saw knot on my hair, so I'm using gently. I was performing this video, but it's not the way you see that I'm doing it. So I will gently to remove that knot on my hair. So if that I'm using comb, this thing now may break off my head. You see that little knot that I lose out there. So use it to hydrate your hair very well. This deep condition is road to healthy hair growth. You will love your hair after. Once you start applying this deep condition on your hair, you see how your hair will feel. Your hair will feel like never before. Your hair will feel so soft, so healthy. You feel the effect immediately you apply it on your hair. You will feel the effect of this deep condition condition on your hair. So please, if you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. Okay, please like this video. Okay, share this video to your family and friends. Okay, thank you so much. Please help your girl to grow this channel. Let's grow our hair together and also grow the channel together. Okay, if you are not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and please, my returning subscriber, make sure that you turn up your post notification bell so I'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So after applying this deep condition, I will now give myself a scalp massage. I'm showing you how to massage your hair, so don't use your fingernail, part of your fingernail to massage your hair. Don't use part of your fingernail to massage your hair. Use your tip of your hair, like as I'm showing in this video. That's the best way to massage your hair. Some of us will massage your hair in a wrong technique, like massage is not working. Since massaging is working, it will not work for you when you are not massaging it in a right technique. Okay, so the wrong technique is when you use tip of your hair when you use your fingernail part to massage your hair, you will cause harm on your hair, and also you will cause excessive breakage on your hair, honestly speaking. So if you want me to make a full video on right way to massage your hair, comment down below full video of how to massage your hair. I will do that video to you. Okay, so this is how my hair feel like. You see how my hair have super moisturized and super hydrated. This is how my hair feel like. My hair feels so good at this point. So I'm using my cellophane to cover up my hair to attract more heat on my hair. Okay, if you have heat cap, you can use heat cap, but I don't have heat cap, so I'm using my cellophane. After I use my cellophane, I will still use my shower cap to cover it up more, to attract more heat. I will leave it for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Don't leave it below 1 hour. Okay, so that you know this is DIY, so that you can penetrate very well and also do a work on your hair. More you leave it, more you get the benefit of this condition. Okay, so after 1 hour and 30 minutes, see how my hair look like. My hair feels so good. So I will now rinse my hair out. I will rinse my hair out at this point. After rinsing the hair out, you see how my hair feel like. One thing about this deep condition that I love, this deep condition, is easy to rinse out. To rinsing out is not difficult, very easy to rinse out. So use your cold water to rinse it out. Okay, don't use hot water, okay, or warm water. Use cold water to rinse it out, or room temperature cold water to rinse it out. Okay, at this point, after rinsing it out, now the next thing, now you can now use your thin rinse. If you want to do thin rinse, you can do thin rinse. After thin rinse, you can now moisturize your hair. But if you are not doing any thin rinse on your hair, you can now moisturize your hair. Dry your hair with your cotton sheets or your fiber towel. After then, leave your hair to after drying your hair, you can now style your hair and put your hair in protective style. This is it all. Do you see how my hair feel like? My hair feels so good. How to use deep condition? You can use deep condition every week or 2 times in a week. If you used to wash your hair once in a week, use it every of your wash day. If you are washing your hair twice in a week, use it every of your wash. Like I wash my hair once in 2 weeks. Okay, so I wash my hair twice in a month. So if you are washing your hair 4 times in a month, use this. If you are washing your hair 2 times in a month, use it. This will be closing to the video. If you are watched up to this point, say hi in comment section. So I love you so much. Please don't forget to give this girl a thumbs up. Just how my hair feels so manageable, so soft. I love my hair at this point, honestly speaking. I can't wait to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Please give me a thumbs up, share the video to your family and friends. Okay, don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet do so. Okay, see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.